Thanks for tuning in once again. In this episode, I decided to do something a little different. I want to modify my daughter's boring remote control car into something a little bit more exciting. Hope you enjoy. I want to make some pronounced changes, so I decided I need new tyres, new wheels, complete repaint, and obviously performance modification. For this, I had to gut out the Barbie car, remove all the electronics, and replace them with something a little bit more formidable. For this, I also had to cut out wheel arches from the body, thereby irreversibly damaging the product. So far, here's the progress I've made on this remote control car. I have included two motors, so I've ripped the old one out and installed two individual motors to act as the rear drive. I've also laser cut a few rubber tyres for the front and the back. The shell hasn't changed that much, however I'm going to start to glue some wheel arches just to make it a little more exaggerated, and then I'll go through and repaint the body itself. Before I committed to the paint, I really need to make sure that it actually does work. It seems to steer and move forward and back, no problem at all, and it is a little bit fast there, which I'm pretty happy with. I haven't filmed the painting sequence, but here's the final product. I added some bumpers at the front. The wheel arches are all made of rubber. Repainted the chassis red and also added a bit of a spoiler as well. I replaced the old remote control with this new system that I bought from eBay. It also allows for higher voltages to be applied if required. I must admit I was very impressed with the actual performance outside on the carpet, on the tiles and on the asphalt itself, so really quite glad how it turned out. Now I'm the one who's playing with it mostly, not my daughter, however I'm happy that I have successfully pimped her ride. Thanks for watching, enjoy the rest of the videos, and I'll see you next time.